after dropping off the orders UPS and then dropping off also as well here and USPS, we'll drop by on the mall if we could find something interesting, something also we hope we could find something for personal element, but mostly for resale. So with that said, let's go. The good thing about this mall is close to the Ross Dress for Less, so when I get in here and then the other side will be the mall. So we have a good finds here on the Ross Dress for Less. These are the Under Armour Project Crop, few sizes here, and also I found this Lebron right here, and they are selling for $56.99. I think this one is a grade school size. So after checking the comps on this one, this kind of no active listing for grade school, and the bad thing on this one is size 4.5. So even though it's a good deal, $56.99, I'm gonna pass on this one. So this is the good thing about this mall, because it was really close and all, I mean, like we had to step out from the Ross and then there we go, we're on the mall. So next up, Foot Locker. So there's nothing I could find on the Foot Locker. Now going to Foot Action, Jimmy Jazz, and Finish Line. Okay, look what we found here on Foot Action. We got some grade school at the lows. Am I gonna take one of this? So here in Foot Action, not much going on in the men's section. So they got good ones here, and Jimmy Jazz, Jordan 1 low. Now we're gonna check out on the grade school if they got something. Nothing on grade school, just this one. I'm taking this one and the All-Star low, but since there's a limit here on Jimmy Jazz, we are gonna only get one pair each. Bag is secured on Jimmy Jazz. Alright, not much going on in men's section. Let's go check out grade school. That's all they have here in grade school. Look at this one sitting here, and I don't really like this shoe. I don't like the quality. 200 bucks. And they also have this one. I'm not really sure why the grade school on this one is not really selling. This Retro 13 Starfish Air Force One here. There's one other one as well. So moving on, we're going to the Champs. Nothing I could find here on Finish Line, so move on. Alright, so dropping by here on Kids Foot Locker and then the Champs. We got some Carmines here, but is on size 5.5. Nothing on Kids Foot Locker. Dropping by on Champs. We have something on display. Also got some Carmines and Jordan 1 mids. Every Carmine's grade school fitting. Yep. But I'm picking this one. All-Star Weekend size 7. Got some All-Star Weekend here. And I really like this one. And they also got the lows. Alright, we're good for today. So recap, one mall, there is 5 store, 1 spot. First stop, I went to the Ross. Found those Under Armour Project Rock. They're supposed to be good ones, like they are actually good to resell, but it was flooded on eBay, so there are a lot of resellers already picking them up and they are undercutting. So I decided not to go with it. Maybe if it's much more cheaper, but on that price, and also there's a missing lace, so I'm passing on those. I wanted to buy also the Lebron, but that is kind of too small. It's a grade school size, which is 4.5, and the listing, I can't find any listing on eBay. And then looking also on GOAT, not much going on in there, no one is reselling, so I decided pass it. And then went to the Foot Action. They have one pair these Air Jordan 1 Low grade school gym red, another band gym red 1 Lows. So I'm picking this up. Every time I see Jordan 1 Lows band colorway grade school, pick them up. Anytime, any day I'm picking them up because this one will go up. I knew the price will go up eventually because the colorway of this one is the band colorway. It will go up based on also on the comps. Right now there are a lot of reseller undercutting, but for me I'm just gonna wait out a little bit and then I'm gonna sell them when the time comes. Okay, next one, good thing also on Jimmy Jazz, they have restock of these Jordans, and I got lucky that I found a couple of this because on the other store in the other mall they're all gone. So I'm picking another pair of this Jordan 1 Low All-Star Weekend. I really like the colorway of this one. It's kind of simple, you know, it's just white and black, but the patent leather really caught me. Next one, boom, I was aiming for the size 8, or if they have smaller, size 7, but then again nothing, so I'm picking up the smallest that they have. We have another Jordan 1 Chill Red. Alright, so this one gonna be a good one to resell as well and hold because of the black and white with a little bit hint of red, kind of chili red or what they call it. But for me, the accent and colorway, this will go up as well. And one thing, I was gonna buy more like 6 pair of shoes in Champs, but there is an issue. They only take cash and I don't bring cash with me. I only use the credit card. Sometimes I'm using gift card, and the issue with that is I just don't comfortable bringing cash with me, especially when I'm buying bulk. You know, sometimes you don't know that you could find something like a lot of shoes that you could resell. I don't bring like 1,000 2,000 in the mall. I don't do that. Usually when I started doing this, I don't want use cash. It's kind of trouble magnet. That's what I say on that one. Even though it's gonna easy to go to the bank, withdraw and pay cash, I don't want to do it. And especially I would rather use credit card, not just for the safety but the convenience and also the benefit of me using the credit card, because I have a good credit card and I'm using that one because also in returns there is the benefit and also the good credit. I mean, like, I'm throwing away a good credit because, you know, if you're already here in US, United States, you know, a good credit is a must. So I'm not gonna throw away cash. I want that credit, I want the benefit, I want the credit score. So I'm just gonna leave that behind. I don't care if I'm gonna lose me something, but in returns I'd rather have those benefits from the credit score and benefit from my credit card. And so that is my point of not doing paying cash. So if it's if you're starting off, I would rather use a credit card because there's a lot of benefits using a credit card rather than paying cash, especially safety. All right, so with that said, I'm not too I wanna go deep on those more information, but today I'm still happy. I'm copying a few good shoes that I just dropped by in one mall and then copying this up. Not bad, right? So what do you think on this cup on this mall? Some lows, some mediums, another lows on the back. So with that said, thank you again for watching. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye.